Well, we can't do a whole lot about the cost of things. We can kind of shop around a little bit, but we can do things to make what we do last longer. And that's what this product right here by Tatuo, deck flashing joist tape. We've been putting that on these joists and put it on top and wrapping it so that it will cause it to last longer. Now, I don't know that I'll be able to come back in 15 years, maybe, and I'll show you how much good it's done. Perhaps we'll come on, but I wanted to show you this product just because it might be something you want. Now, it has layers. You'll have to peel the white off the tape, and this stuff is really sticky. You would not want to use gloves because it will stick to everything. As a matter of fact, I saw a honeybee land on it, the sticky side, and he stuck there. So it's sticky. So use without gloves, put it on, and you have to peel the white wax paper off and then put it on and then wrap it over. That way moisture comes through the cracks of that floor joist and it doesn't get to the joist right there, through the cracks of the floor covering here, the 2x6s in this case. When it comes to the floor joist, now that's one of the things you might worry about is whether or not these rot because they can't get sun as much and that moisture just stays there, can't dry up as quick. Snow, ice, things like that. Just a thought by this particular company. I'm not paid by them, it's just something that I'm using and I thought I'd share it with you guys. See ya.